Hello children, today I will teach you lesson 21 Antonyms, which is the 21st chapter of your English grammar book. Alright, children, antonyms means words that are opposite in meaning. Previously I taught you synonyms. Synonyms means similar in meaning. So don't get confused between synonyms and antonyms. S for synonyms, S for similar. So synonyms means similar in meaning and antonyms means opposite meanings. Alright. So today I will teach you antonyms. Antonyms are opposite words which you are learning from class 1. If the word is bad, opposite is good. So this is antonyms. Alright. So open your book. Lesson 21, page 85, will start. See children, a word which is opposite in meaning to another word is known as its antonym. Alright? So, good and bad are antonyms. Children, you have learned in class 2 also antonyms, and there was one list and you learned it very well. Now there is another list of few more antonyms. Let's go through. I'll read and you'll repeat after me. And side by side I'll explain you. I'll tell you the meaning in Hindi also. Alright. Lost, found, khona, milna. Proud, humble. Proud means घमंडी होना, and humble is kind, gentle. Alright. Careful, rash. Careful, careless. Opposite of careful can be rash also. Opposite of careful is careless also. Alright. We say na, his driving is very rash. Means very not good. Not carefully he is driving. So we say that his driving is rash. So careful, opposite can be rash and careless. And foolish, wise. You know very well what is the meaning of foolish and what is the meaning of wise. Foolish you know very well, na? Wise is clever. Live, die. Sweet, sour, khatta. Sweet, bitter. Opposite of sweet can be khatta also. Opposite of sweet can be bitter, means kadu also. Crooked, tedi medi. Crooked, straight. Maths, when you were learning the lines, you must have learned crooked line and straight line. Deep, shallow. Deep means gehra. Shallow means chichla, upar upar. Now see the second column. First, last. Give, take. Friend, enemy. Friend, foe. Another word of for enemy is foe. Alright. Hot, cold. Tight, loose. Begin, end, begin, cease. Remember, forget. Remember, forget. Safe, dangerous. Now let's come to the third column. Buy, sell. Buy means kharidna, sell means bechna. More, less. Rise, fall. Rise, sink. Rise means sun rises, nikalna. Ya upar uthna is rise, and fall means girna. Sink means sikadna. So opposite of rise can be fall and opposite of rise can be sink also. Dark, light. Young, old. Near, far. Near, distant. Far and distant meanings are same. So opposite of near can be far also Opposite of near means can be distant also. Rough, gentle, depends on the sentence. Surface is rough, then the surface is smooth. And his nature, his attitude is rough, so his attitude can be gentle. So it depends on the sentence. The opposite of rough, gentle, rough, smooth. Like here, old, young, old. The boy is young, the man is old. All right, but old, new also, and old depends is considered for age also. How old are you? All right. So, and new, opposite of new is also old. New means naya, old mane purana means purana, and young means kam age hai, jawan, and old means buddha. So old depends. You'll use old according to the sentence. All right. Near, far, near, distant. Rough. Similarly here also. Depends on the sentence where to use gentle, opposite of rough, where the rough is used as, the word rough is used as clever, foolish, clever, stupid. See. Now see exercise A. Give the antonyms of the following words. So we'll do this. Number 1, small. Antonym of small is big. It can be big also, it can be huge also, large also. Early, jaldi, late. Love, प्यार, hate, चिढ़ना. Wild, tame. Open, close, or can be shut also. Old, new, and it can be young also. High, low. High मतलब ऊंचा, low means नीचा. Dull, bright. Alright, now turn the page. Life, death. Life, death. Life, जीवन, death means maran. Hard, soft. People say, children were in the Zoom class, children were saying hard, easy. If the word is difficult, then you'll write easy. Here the word is hard, opposite is soft. All right. Easy is the opposite of the word difficult. So don't get confused. Short, long. Rough, smooth. And here it's given, it can be gentle also. It depends on the sentence. Now let's see another. You can form antonyms in many ways. One of them is by using a prefix. What is prefix? Pre means आगे, fix means set करना. All right. So see, a prefix is a letter or group of letters which is added before, आगे, पहले, before a word to form a new word. All right. The meaning of the new word is usually different from that of the original word. Word के आगे prefix लगाते हैं, पीछे नहीं लगता है. If the word is given happy, you will add the prefix un and it will be unhappy. So opposite of happy will be unhappy. एकदम उल्टा meaning हो गया. Clear? So remember always, pre means आगे, fix means set करना, paste करना. Prefix. You will fix this group of word, group of letters or a letter before the word. See here. Antonyms of some words can be formed by adding un to them. Clear? Here see. Happy, unhappy. आगे लगा है. Easy, uneasy. Even, uneven. Able, unable. Comfortable, uncomfortable. Educated, uneducated. Alright? Now see, use un to form the antonyms of the following words. See, the words are willing, unwilling. Safe, unsafe. Fair, unfair. True, untrue. Word is true, I have added un before true. So it is untrue, opposite of true. Usual, unusual. Opposite of true can be false also, but if you are told to add prefix, then you'll have to write untrue. Opposite of true, untrue. Alright? Seen, unseen. Well, unwell. Certain, uncertain. Next column. Selfish, unselfish. Kind, unkind. Known, unknown. Healthy, unhealthy. Equal, unequal. Natural, unnatural. Wise, unwise. Pleasant, unpleasant. Alright? But it's not compulsory that you add the prefix un to any of the word and it is converted into its opposite. No. All words, you cannot add un to all the words to form the opposite. Followed? There are the words to which you can form are given here. Now see, we can use the prefix in or im to form the antonyms of some words. Now, here you have added un prefix. Now here we'll add im and in. Here you have to be very careful where im prefix will be added and where in. See, a few examples are given here. Possible, impossible. Capable, see here, incapable. Here it is impossible, im, and capable has prefix in, incapable. Pure, impure. Direct, indirect. Be very particular. Movable, what is given? Immovable, im. Complete, incomplete. So you have to be very careful and learn where prefix in will be used and where prefix im is used. Alright? Now here visible, invisible, invisible. Visible मतलब दिखना, invisible मतलब नहीं दिखाई देना, अदृश्य हो जाना. Patient, patience, impatient. Patient, impatient. Patient मतलब धैर्य रखना, impatient मतलब धैर्य नहीं रखना. Now come to third word, perfect. Now here it is imperfect. Polite, impolite. Human, inhuman. In prefix will be there. Mobile, immobile. See, im. Then correct, incorrect. Active, inactive. Proper, improper. Secure, insecure. Alright. See children, when you are learning this, now first you learn all prefix with im prefix, and then you learn in. This way it will be clear to you and it will stay in your mind that im prefix will be used with which word and in prefix will be used with which word, right? Now see, some antonyms can be formed with the help of the prefix dis, dis. Prefix, remember, all the letters or group of letters are added before the word. Honest, dishonest. Like, dislike. Comfort, discomfort. Pleased, displeased. Clear? Now see here, simple. Allow, disallow. Continue, discontinue. Respect, disrespect. Obedient, disobedient. Connect, disconnect. Agree, disagree. Appear, disappear. Word you will write and add before this dis, disappear. Appear means prakat hona, disappear means गायब होना. Infect, disinfect. Infect, infectious का है. Infect, disinfect. Like, dislike. Color, discolor. All right. Now see here, this another exercise E. I'll send you the image. Then also let's do, because here the antonyms will be changed according to the sentence, meaning of sentence. Rewrite the following sentences, replacing the underlined words with their antonyms. All right. What you have told us is false. What you will write? What you have told us is true. Because the underlined word, you have to change the, write the opposite of the underlined word. Is true. All right. Another sentence is, see, Alan's car is old and small. Now see here, old car cannot be young. You know very well. So here, old means purani. Purani का opposite हुआ नया. So you will use this new. You cannot use, you have seen that old का opposite young है, so you will write this. No. According to the sentence, you have to write the opposite. Alan's car is new and big. All right. Now see the third one. Abir was absent. The teacher was displeased. Now what you will write? Abir was present. The teacher was pleased. Clear? Fourth one. We agreed with him that it was possible to climb that hill. Now what you will write? We agreed, disagreed. We disagreed with him that where you will write, can write here also, that it was impossible to climb that hill. All right, like this. Now see, fifth one. It is wise to go to bed early. It is unwise to go to bed late. Opposite of wise, and all the opposites, all the antonyms are given in the yellow box. Most of the antonyms are given here. Now see this one. The girl was polite and pleasant and we were happy. Now what you will write? The girl was impolite and unpleasant and we were unhappy. Clear? Then the seventh one, the room was almost empty for few had turned up. मतलब रूम लगभग खाली था क्योंकि बहुत कम लोग आए थे. Now what you'll write? The room was almost full for many had turned up. Opposite हो गया पूरा sentence. You will use the antonym in such a way कि sentence भी पूरा opposite हो जाएगा. I love seeing movies with happy endings. I hate seeing movies with sad endings. इसमें लिखा था I love seeing movies. हमें वो movies अच्छी लगती हैं जिसमें हैप्पी एंडिंग्स होती हैं. उसका ऑपोजिट क्या हो गया? मुझे आई हेट सच मूवीज़ जिसमें कि सैड एंडिंग्स होती हैं, जिसका एंड सैड होता है. नंबर 9, दिस बेड इज़ नॉट एज कंफर्टेबल एज द चेयर. दिस बेड इज़ नॉट एज अनकंफर्टेबल एज द चेयर. Right? You have to change write the antonym of comfortable. Now, children are told that it is safe to talk to unknown persons. Now, what you'll write? Children are told that it is unsafe to talk to unknown persons. Number 11. Rajan was very careless and made many mistakes. After writing the antonym, the sentence will be Rajan was very careful and made few mistakes. Opposite of many is few. Number 12. The pond is shallow and its water is bitter. What you'll write? The pond is deep and its water is sweet. Clear? You'll do this work in the copy or book also, and I will send you the image. Now see, come to this exercise. Small exercise it is. Give the antonyms of the underlined words. You may use words formed with the prefixes un, in, im or dis. Write only the antonyms. So underlined words we will write in the copy. First you'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, give the number, write all these underlined words, and then draw a line column, and this side you'll write antonyms. It's given. See, as soon as I lit the lamp, the ghost appeared. What will be? Disappeared. Number 2, I remember faces but not the names of people. I forget faces but not the names of people. Answer will be forget. Remember, forget. The speech was long and uninteresting. Long का हो गया short and uninteresting का हो जाएगा interesting. Okay. Number 4, slow and steady wins the race. Slow का क्या हो जाएगा? Fast and steady, unsteady. So slow, fast and unsteady wins also. Fast and unsteady loses. Wins का क्या होगा? Loses the race. The room was big and comfortable. The room was small and uncomfortable. I thought what he said was correct. I thought what he said was incorrect. Incorrect is given here. Turn the page and see. Then she was a rash driver. I told you na, rash, careful. Opposite will be careful, and always disobeyed traffic rules. So disobeyed का क्या होगा? Obeyed traffic rules. So he was a careful driver and always obeyed traffic rules. But here you don't have to write the sentence, you have to write only the antonyms. The young man was selfish. Opposite will be unselfish. Foolish will be wise. Nobody liked him. Liked का क्या होगा? Disliked. Because liked is in past tense, so you will also write the antonym in the past tense. Liked, disliked. Alright. Number 9. The king was kind and the people loved him. Here क्या हो जाएगा? Kind means cruel, or you can write unkind also. The king was unkind and the people hated him. And the last one is the suitcase was small and light. Now here light means halka. So you will write the opposite of light, heavy, and small is big, or you can write large. The suitcase was big or large and heavy. Alright. So this exercise I will send you the image and you will do it in the copy. Alright. This exercise E, you will do in the book. Rest all you will do in the book. Only exercise F you will do in the copy. Alright. Definitions of antonyms and this exercise I will send you the images. That's the end of the lesson. Hope it is clear to you. Bye bye.